You searched how to buy shares of ALFUM.PA, a digital advertising company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALFUM.PA. Quick educational disclaimer. This short tutorial explains the procedural steps only and is not financial advice. Always research and consider the risks before investing. To buy ALFUM.PA, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your account before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALFUM.PA to locate ALFUM.PA SA. Make sure to select the listing that matches the Euronext market so you find the correct share. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Verify the company name and ticker ALFUM.PA to confirm you are viewing the correct asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you wish to open an account or learn more.